Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable unwanted background apps in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to type on your keyboard Windows plus R. Here you have to write for MSCONFIG and have to click on OK. Now go to Services and click on Hide all Microsoft services. And you can custom your services as you want. Now click on OK and restart your PC. That's it. So this is how you can disable unwanted background apps in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.